Hi, this is Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and this is Scarlett, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies.
Today in this video, we are going to press our large pet scarf collar right after this. And we're back. So today we are going to press our large pet scarf collar. So it has a nice buckle, it has the nice scarf. So you can take this off to sublimate. So we already have one down here. So
and we actually do recommend that you take it off to sublimate.
Yes. Yeah. So it just kind of comes off like so. Ready for sublimation. So Meredith is going to walk you through the steps.
All right, we made our print on the Epson Sure Color F570. And I'm just going to trim it down just to make it easier to work with. Okay, next we're going to tape this down with our thermal tape. And as you notice, we do have quite a bit of bleed in there, just to make sure we have proper coverage. And I'm going to place a piece of silicone down just to protect our press. And we'll put it image side up, 385 degrees for 45 seconds. And it's at about medium pressure. And there we go.
Okay, and then don't forget that we do have product templates and instructions online at coastalbusiness.com under the product page for this item. And we are almost there.
All right. Make sure to remove this immediately. Here we go. And then we're just going to put the collar back on. And because she is a little robust, we're going to actually use her collar, which this will fit any standard collar. All right, here we go. There we are.
And now you have one beautiful personalized gift for a dog.
What do you think, Scarlett?
I think she approves.
I think so too.
And that's it. So as always, any comments or questions, please comment below. And thank you for watching.
See you guys later. Have a doggone good day.